Hello, I am Mrs. Minal Nerkar, working as Assistant Professor in Computer Department of All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology. Today we are going to see how to install Node.js on Windows machine. Now, for installation of Node.js on Windows machine, just type Node.js in Google search. Now click here on Node.js. Now, as this is Windows operating system, which is a 64-bit, so I am now clicking on this. Once you click on this, the installer file will get downloaded. Once this download is finished, we will go ahead. Okay. Now this download is finished. Double click on this installer file. Okay. Now, after double clicking, the next thing is this installation setup wizard will come. You just continue the installation by clicking on the next button. Then accept this license agreement and then click on next. Here you have to enter the location for installation of Node.js. This is where the files for Node.js will be stored after installation. So I am keeping it as default one. Now then click on the next for proceeding further. Now accept the default components and click on the next button. Here also to continue, click on the next button. Now click this install button to start installing Node.js. It will start installing the Node.js. This installation will take some time to complete. And after this, you will get one screen where you just have to click on the finish button. Okay. This is how we can install the Node.js on the Windows machine.